students, it's Mrs. Decker. Welcome to week 8 of online learning. This is our final week of new learning, and I can't wait to get you started. So I'm going to share some quick things about our Wonder Day project this week because you will have today and tomorrow, May 11th and 12th, to be focusing on that part of our learning. Our goal today is to turn in your final Wonder Day project presentation to your class Padlet. That's a website we'll be using, and to submit your reflection paragraph in Google Classroom. What that means is I'm going to show you, I'm going to model how to open your assignment today and follow the directions for how to post that on the class website, and also where to write your reflection paragraph before you click that turn in button today. So I'm going to start by sharing or modeling how this assignment will be turned in. Notice I'm using the link here to open my assignment. I don't want you to use the link. I want you to open the assignment that is for you next to these slides in today's post. So look for the Monday, May 11th post. Open up your assignment. It should open and look exactly like this, but it will have your first and last name up here because it's your assignment. Okay, this is the Wonder Day project part where we get to share and celebrate our learning. You only have 2 tasks today. It may not take you 30 minutes, but it is important for you to do today so that tomorrow we can view our classmates' projects and celebrate all of our hard work by learning from each other. Today, your 2 tasks are this. First, you're going to post your Wonder Day project, the finished presentation, whether you made a Google slideshow or a video, or maybe even just a research project, a research report. You're going to post it to the Padlet, and I'm going to show you that. I will also attach this video right here so that if you need to rewatch any parts of this to see how to do it, you can from here. All right, how you're going to post the project is this. Click on your class. That's a very important step. That will take you to your class's website. So if you're in Mrs. Decker's Period 2 class, make sure you use this link. Here's Decker Dudley 3, Decker Period 5, and then also notice Mr. Yakabuchi has his Period 2, Period 3, and Period 5 links here. So if I open this, it will take me, just follow the link, it'll take me to my class Padlet. Double check that you're in the correct class here, and then read the directions so that you can post your project, making sure you have your first and last name and the title of your topic included with your presentation. If you are linking anything from Google, remember you have to change the project's sharing settings to anyone with the link can view. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So to add your Padlet, you can either just click on this or you can double click anywhere around you and it should pop up a box, almost like a sticky note. For the title, just post your topic. So if I'm posting about bullying, I would put that topic here. I need to put my name, first and last, and then I need to attach my project. If you uploaded, if you, have a file on your computer for your project, you would upload that here. Or if you have a web address, like a Google slideshow, you're going to link it. So click on the link, and notice now I have a spot to copy and paste my link. So I go to my project. Let's pretend this is my finished one. Please do not use this link up here because it will not work. You have to go to the share button. Click on share and then make sure it says anyone with the link can view. If that's not what yours says, you need to use this arrow and click more, and then make sure you click on this button on anyone with the link. When you save that, now you can copy that link, go back to the Padlet and paste it in here. When you save it, it should show that your presentation is here. Now, just click outside that box and check and see if your post looks okay. Notice up here, there's actions with the 3 dots. If you need to edit your post or if you need to delete it and redo it, you can come up here and delete post or edit post, okay? One last thing is you'll notice that in these posts, You can like it, and you can add comments. I'm going to ask for today that you don't add any comments to your classmates' posts yet, because tomorrow we're going to do a gallery walk, a virtual gallery walk, and get to view these. And I will give you some parameters or expectations around commenting on each other's posts. I think it's important to get to share feedback with each other. So we're going to make sure we have that option. But in order to have that option, you have to make sure that you're doing it in a respectful, productive, constructive way. And I'm sure you guys will do just fine with that. Okay, back to our assignment. You've posted your project, and here's what you have left to do for today. Task 2. This is where, in this box, you're going to write a short reflection about a paragraph about your experiences with this whole project. Be thinking about how simple some parts of it were, but also what were some complex or more challenging parts. We want you to think about yourself as a researcher and how did you overcome some challenges? What did you learn about researching or get better at as a researcher? And what are some successes you had with this project? Maybe you want to even throw in something that you learned about your topic that you'll never forget. This is where you record your reflection paragraph. Finally, when you're done, don't forget to use the turn in or submit button so that it's turned in to your teacher. We can't wait to start looking at these projects on Tuesday, so today is an important step for having your project turned in and your reflection, and we look forward to seeing those. Last but not least, Mrs. Dudley shared last week your Wonder Day project grading criteria. Don't forget that this is a resource available for you if you want to open it and look at it one more time before you post your project. This is where your teacher will give you feedback for 3 categories or 3 different scores or possibilities for earning a satisfactory score for this project. I know Mrs. Dudley went over it in detail, so I'm not going to repeat all of that, but it is there for you to view and to ask questions of your teachers. Students, this has been quite a road with your Wonder Day projects. We are very excited to see all of the hard work you've put in and to celebrate the work that your classmates have done too. So we look forward to it, and we'll check in tomorrow for our virtual gallery walk.